Anaza onye nna no ni egbo Okongwu dibia dey see ife dị iche. Eziwota afa m bụ Kenechukwu Charles ife dị iche. Biko, ya anụnwa bụ an apology video directed to High Chief Sir Emeka Offor and the Honorable Dr. Onyekachukwu Ibezim, our Deputy Governor of Anambra State, and the others on the video. Because I say an apology concerning the video that I posted long time ago. The video that I reposted, the video that I reposted long time ago. Though I'm not the originator of the originator of the video is Ikuku Connect, Ikuku Movement Connect. Though I'm going to post to you, I tag in the source, the video, and I didn't post the video to hurt anybody. That is number one. Number two, I did not even know that they called Emeka Offor into that video. The reason why I posted that video is to get the attention of my friend Obeleda to take action of what Ikuku is saying. But I didn't know that Emeka Offor and the Deputy Governor of Anambra State and the other people was in the video. And what Ikuku said on that video is not good. So I'm sorry. If the video hurts anybody, please see my knees on the ground. I don't need that, I beg. Upon a video post to no hurt. No megide biko and my yobiko while alone. The video, I did not mean to hurt anybody. I did not mean to hurt anybody. And I'm not the maker of the video. I reposted the video for my friend Obeleda to take immediate action. Man, I'm not concerned with Emeka Offor and the Deputy Governor of Anambra State. Because no one alone. The man say they will like it, but he want to kill if I will like anything what if I will like it, but don't put eh? Because most especially, Sir Chief Emeka Offor no refit, please. I'm begging. Upon that video, me provoke you. You will get the knock. You will get the knock. Then the Deputy Governor of Anambra State, I beg. Upon the video repost to Mutege, Wagalo, and the other people that were mentioned on the video that I reposted. And I'm assuring you people that once the maker of the video comes back, which is Ikuku Ijela, once you back Nigeria, I will help and make sure that na Mununu Jidelie, I hand you over to the authority. I hand you over to the authority. Because I'm not near you on a couple say I did not know. The post. Don't I'm post to on the video because online and the video I post in the video say Ikuku, are you sure of what you are saying? Tag here the source. Just in the comment section. Title info. Tag here in the comment section. I'm not the maker of the video. So say Emeka Offor, sir, please, sir. Forgive, tamper justice with mercy. And I will be happy to meet you one day. I will be happy to meet you one day. So you talk about any day, including the Deputy Governor of Anambra State. I will be happy to meet you people. So next time, before I post a video, I must verify condition that this video they post to before I post to because Adama Yoko with pride, I beg. Because it will never happen again. Then tomorrow morning, for me. Not easy. All the people that came for me, all the people that did not came for me, I thank you all. Mandeni ne wish you mom, Mandeni ne wish you ndo and make no jog God bless you all. Thank you very much. Thank you, Danambara. Thank you, Governor Soludo, Professor, and congratulations to your win. A win for you is a win for us. I appreciate. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Share the video. Thank you.